Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.muayteaching.com.
It's time to start with the properties of parallelogram. The first property says that a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. For the proof, let us draw a parallelogram ABCD and AC be the diagonal. We have to prove that AC divides parallelogram ABCD into two triangles which are Next property is that if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So let us draw a quadrilateral whose pair of opposite sides are equal. So we are given a quadrilateral ABCD for which AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. We are required to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. That is, if we can prove that opposite sides are parallel, then ABCD will be a parallelogram. For the proof, let us join AC. In triangle ABC and CDA, we have AB equal to DC, also AD equal to BC. This is given. Also AC is equal to CA is the common side. Hence the triangles are congruent by SSS property. Now since the triangles are congruent, so the corresponding angles will be equal. That means angle BAC equal to angle DCA. Also angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Now let us look at these angles. Angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. This statement implies that AB is parallel to DC, as these are alternate angles. Also BCA is equal to DAC. This implies that AD is parallel to BC, as these are alternate angles. Hence, we have proved that opposite sides are parallel. And we would say that since pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Our next theorem is the implication of theorem 3. Theorem 4 says, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Let us see how. We have again and again proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA if ABCD is a parallelogram. And by CPCT, angle BAC equal to angle DCA and angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Now let us add the two implications. We get angle BAC plus angle DAC is equal to angle DCA plus angle BCA. So this can be written as angle A is equal to, this can be written as angle C. Similarly, if we take the other diagonal and prove the triangles congruent, we can arrive at the result that angle B equal to angle D. Hence, we have proved that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Also, the converse of theorem 4 is true. It states that if in a quadrilateral, each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Next property of parallelogram is that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let ABCD be a parallelogram and let us join the two diagonals AC and BD and let them intersect at O. Then we are saying that the diagonals bisect each other means we imply that AO is equal to OC and BO equal to OD, or simply O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. Let us prove it. In triangle AOB and COD, AB equal to CD, as ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle OAB equal to angle OCD, as these are alternate angles, and for the same reason angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. So the two triangles are congruent by ASA property, and hence by CPCT, AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD by CPCT. Hence we have proved that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Converse of theorem 6 is also true. It says that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So let ABCD be any quadrilateral. Let us join the diagonals, and in this statement it is given that the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other. This implies that AO should be equal to OC and DO should be equal to OB. We are required to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. For the proof, consider triangles AOB and COD. It is given that AO is equal to OC. This is given. Also, OD equal to OB is given, and angle DOC is equal to angle AOB, as these are vertically opposite angles. Hence, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS property. And since the triangles are congruent, so the corresponding angles will be equal, implying that angle OAB is equal to angle OCD and angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. This implies that EB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, and hence ABCD is a parallelogram.